All right, fellas, people, and everybody on YouTube. So, um, so earlier today, this is 9:27 at 5 o'clock p.m. Uh, so yeah, I mean, we got a little bit of situation going on here where the spread is an issue with Pax Forex, and I'm just yeah, we're gonna go to a 5-minute chart. We're gonna get here, and I have to do this every time because I just don't like a lot of charts on the MT4. So anyway, so here we are at 1.6, and right now that was just about earlier today was zero point 0.6, and I was getting into the trades nearly 1.6 below the asking price or above the asking price. So right now we're at 1642.2, and right now we're going to buy it, and I'm going to show you guys, see if this actually happens, and more than likely it's going to happen. So we're at 21, it says right there. I'll do a tap tap circle circle with the little thingy there, and just to make you see this, because I'm going to be sending you guys this over there at Pax Forex, so you can be annoyed with it, because I'm not going to stop until I get my money, until you guys find a way to fix this problem. And I'm going to find another broker who's a lot better established with their policies. Let's say what else? Overall more legit. And stop, and getting rid of all this crap that you guys keep putting me through and putting your U.S. clients through, So, yeah. I'm a little fed up with customer service. It's not going so well. So, here it is. The market is completely dead right now. No volatility at all. So you can't sit there and bitch about it. Oh, it's volatility. No, you're wrong. It's not volatility. So watch. Here it goes. It's still at 421. Oh my God, it actually opened up higher. Just as I always thought it would. Holy freaking cow. Holy freaking cow. One point three. 1.3 pips above. Three whole points. 3 points. 0.30. A dime. 30 cents. One micro lot. 30 cents. Minus 3 points. The spread is 1.6. Why am I having these issues? Why is it still continuing? So I'm going to send you this link again, guys, because you have a problem. And I'm going to go ahead and close it, just because it's not going to go nowhere right now. Oh, well, yeah, watch this. So, let's see what it is. Minus 30, you've seen it. Minus 30. Now it's a minus 44. What the hell? That's not right. That's not, yeah, okay.